for sure mapapadami yung kain ko nito. So, for those who, my husband told me that I should vlog in English so that my viewers could understand me. Because I check my geography, the one that who always viewed me mostly are here in US. So this time I'm going to eat, my brunch is bitter gourd with egg and tomatoes. So I just sautéed garlic and onion, and then next is tomatoes, and then I'll add up bitter gourd and then cover it. It's really so easy recipe, and this recipe is usually cooked in Philippines for their breakfast. So because there are lots of bitter gourd in Philippines, and it's bitter gourd there is really cheap. So after you cover it, you don't need to mix it. You don't need to mix that bitter gourd when you put it together with the garlic, onion, and tomatoes, because it will make the bitter gourd bitter. So the technique of cooking this is, when you put the bitter gourd in the pan together with those tomatoes, onions, and garlic, you should not mix it. Don't mix it. You just need to cover it for a short time, maybe 1 minute. You cover it for 1 minute, and then open it, and in that 1 minute, or less than 1 minute I think, and then after 1 minute you will add the egg. This is it. So it's really so tasty, guys, and healthy. And this is healthy because it's just egg and bitter gourd. This is a winner, guys. So usually when this is our recipe in the morning on our breakfast, we usually have dried fish with it, because that's really the partner of this this egg. And I have a dipping here, which is vinegar with some spices on it. I also got this in Seafood City. It is an Asian grocery store, a big grocery store, wherein you can find everything there that you would like to get from Philippines. So you don't need to starve yourself with Philippine products, because you can get everything there. I hope you can try this recipe, guys, and for sure you will love it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If you watch this video and then you like it, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Thank you so much. Thank you.